Go to the About section of my YouTube channel to learn about where I am on social media. Danelle Dautrieve-Sanford here. Let's go ahead and start our topic of today. And hello everyone. I am here with my June 2022 investment update. And this is for the $5,000 I invested at the start of the year. You may go back and check out that video when I gave more details. But before I get started, please be sure to check out the About section of my YouTube channel to learn about where I am on social media. So with that, I'm going to let you know I had the $5,000 balance. And a lot has happened with the stock market. I have some notes here. And with all the dips and everything, the current value is around $4,000, right? And you all excuse me because I don't necessarily want to look right there. I'm just going to look right at the camera. So excuse me if you're triggered by not seeing direct eye contact. So the rate of return, it's around a 20% decrease. So right now, for me to restate it, it is at negative 20%. Yes, indeed. So the overall decrease in value is around $1,000. And I know people are like, why are you smiling? Because this is a great opportunity for dollar cost averaging. And dollar cost averaging is when the stock market is up, you buy a certain amount, and when the stock market value, when the prices go down, you get to buy even more. So I'm going to restate my current investments, and I'll let you know about, overall value. So I'm not going to give you the exact amount because of privacy, obviously. And remember, just for review, I'm going to be stating the cost basis and the current value, approximate. So the cost basis is how much money I actually have invested. Let me go ahead. I'm not going to really go over the money market because it's not really a lot in there. There's like this quote that says, scared money don't make money. So there's very little bit in there. And I heard that quote from somewhere. I did not make that up. So we'll start off with Citigroup note that has a 6.675% interest rate. And the cost basis is around $1,400. And the current value is around $1,100. I will get those interest payments for the whole period of that bond. For 21st Century Fox, that's at about 7.9% interest. The cost basis is around $1,800, and the current value is around $1,400. Now let's move on to Fidelity Trend Fund. That is FTRNX. The cost basis is around $1,100, so that's how much money I have paid into it, and the current value is around $900. For the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FXAIX, the cost basis is around $40, and the current value is still around $40. For LG Display, which is LPL, the cost basis is around $40, and the current value is around $30. And for NVIDIA, oh my goodness, there's been a lot of movement here. NVIDIA Corporation is NVDA. The cost basis is around $800. Current value is around $600. And let me go over the account activity. I got some interest from 21st Century Fox that was valued at about $40, so it paid directly into my money market. And I bought around $5 of 500 index fund, and I bought around $13 of LG. There's still some money left in there, and I've just have been busy, and I'll get around to investing that eventually. Sometimes the reason I haven't invested it is the market was closed, and also there are some dollar minimums. So if I want to buy certain things, I would have to have a certain amount of money because I'm investing a relatively small amount. And my approach is to take advantage of decrease in value. So just look at it like if you're going to buy groceries. If they have buy one, get one free, or buy one, get one at half price, that's exactly how I see it. So again, the overall value for June is around $4,000. There's been a lot of movement, and the last I checked, the value had gone down some more. Taking advantage of this dip in the market as much as possible. So if you're about to retire and you're concerned about these dips, hopefully you're taking advantage of concepts such as the bucket method, which if you are not sure about that, you can go look in the featured channel area. Bucket systems is having certain money certain places to allow one to weather storms like this. I'm still working my job now, so it's not as much of a concern. But if somebody is like they're about to retire in 6 months or a year, you should be concerned, okay? Make sure you talk to a financial advisor, a reputable one that has a fiduciary responsibility. And what fiduciary is, they are doing what's best for you, the client. And I'll give an example. Right before I left this previous job I had, I went to transfer my things, and all they talked about was fixed annuities. I considered that a red flag, and I asked a question, and so they just kind of laughed at my face. So after that, I said, thank you very much. I won't be needing your services. But I'm not necessarily talking about that money right now. I'm just talking about that $5,000. If one has not started, that can be a little bit discouraging. So I'm just wanting to show you what happens with $5,000. And trust me, a lot can happen with $5,000 over a long period of time. Until next time, enjoy the journey.